Okay, the camera was on. I didn't realize. Okay, so guys, welcome back to the second episode of Abacus Calculations Made Easy. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do plus and minus in Abacus. So let's begin with it. Okay, so our first topic for this chapter is small friend and big friend. So I'm going to explain big friend later, but we have to know small friend before doing the addition and subtraction on Abacus. So for small friend, we have to make each number equal to 5, and it can't be bigger than 5 obviously, because you have to add it up. So 1, his small friend is 4. For example, if you have 1 here, so how do you add 4? It's very simple in normal maths, but in Abacus it's really different. Let me show you. Okay, so before we move on to the Abacus part, I need to show you what the formula is. So first formula you need to learn is when you are adding all the numbers plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, and plus 4. So equals, 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 and equals. Okay, so for plus 1, it's like you have to plus 5 minus 4, because one small friend is 4. Then in this case you plus 5 minus 3, because you can't see 3, so you get 3. Same thing over here, it's 2, and over here it's 1. So now I'll show you directly on Abacus. Let's go. Okay, so now on Abacus, imagine like we have to add the number 3 repeatedly. So just go 3. You can add the first 3 very easily, but for the second 3 you need to add, it has to be using the formula, which is plus 5 and minus the small friend, which is 2. So when we minus 2, you get 6, and if you use normal maths, you get 3 plus 3 equals 6. So that's basic how you do in Abacus. Then if we try other numbers, example 4. So 4, you can add the first 4 easily, then the second 4, you need to add it plus 5 and minus 1, because the small friend is 1. Now, what if we have to minus 4? So just like take an example. If you have like this 9, if you have a number 9. So first I'll show you the formula, then I'm gonna show you how to do it on Abacus. We're gonna remove this part, it's a big one, so let's write it. Remove that. Okay, so if we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, in this case what we have to do is we have to have minus 5 and plus the small friend, which is 4. Understood? So same thing over here, minus 5 plus 3, minus 5 plus 2, and minus 5 plus 1. Okay, now let's move on to Abacus. Okay, so imagine we have the number 9 and we minus 4. The first 4 can be deducted easily, because 1, 2, 3, 4, that's it, done. But now we don't have any beads here, but this is 5. So what we do is, in this it says for minus 4 it's minus 5 plus 1. So now we have 5 here, plus 5 and plus 1. How about let us take another example. So if we have 7 and we need to minus 3, so we minus 3 using minus 5 plus 2, because the small friend for 3 is 2, so you minus 5 and plus 2. Simple. And if we take another example, if you're still confused about like 2 is easy. So if you take 8, even number, 2, first easy, second one minus 5, and the small friend is 3, so you get 4 and 2, 2. That's it. So now let's try some normal calculations. We are still gonna be in single digits, so 9 minus 4 r, sorry for this, 6 minus 2r. The r means repeatedly. Oops. Oh my god. Okay. Then 7 minus 1 r and 6 minus 3. I know. Let's change the number. About 8 minus 3. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's go on to the calculations. First one, 9 minus 4 repeatedly. So we have 9 minus 4. First one, easy. Second one, using the calculation, minus 5 plus 1, if you remember the formula correctly. Second thing, 6 minus 2. So first one, you have to do using the thing. 5 minus 5 plus 3. Then minus 2 and minus 2. That's it. Easy. Moving on, number 3, 7 minus 1. So 1, 1. Now we're stuck here. So minus 5. If I'm too fast, you can like pause the video and see it. Then 4. Then minus 1, 1, 1, and 1. You have to continue until you get 0 or you're stuck with one whole number. Now last one, 8 minus 3. So 3, easy. Then and you minus 5 and you add the small friend 2. Now you're stuck with this, you can't minus this. I'm gonna teach you minus calculations later. Now move on to plus. So we have 7 plus 2. Now this is easy. Let's like take small numbers. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2. Okay, simple calculation, same thing. Just so one last advice I would like to give you is, if you are facing problems doing this, rewatch the video, try to make your own problems and use the formula to solve it. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next episode. Next episode I'm going to be teaching you 2-digit and the big friend. Stay tuned and bye bye.